All right, so hey everyone. What I'm going to do today is I'm going to show you how to get to your assignment in iLit. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to go to your bookmark for iLit, or you can go right here. I've linked it in the directions, and you're going to log in. You should have your information already saved in your account. Okay, once you log in, you're going to go to the assignments at the bottom of the page where there's a square with a check mark. You're going to click on that. Okay, so your first assignment is the interactive reading, and it's right here, number 1, and this is what you need to do today. You're going to click on that. Now, your readings were assigned by how you did on the grade test. If you did not take the grade test and submit it, then you will have just a random reading. So mine is Circus Kids. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I better start this over. So what you do is you go through and you read. And then you answer these questions that pop up at the bottom. You'll see a little blue mark that says reading check or reading response. And they're going to ask you to highlight things, or they're going to ask you to drag a word. There's different things that they use to help, just check your reading and what you're doing. Okay, looks like I did them all correctly. And so when you get over here, you're going to write a summary, okay? And a summary is going to be 5 sentences. 5, can you see my hand? 5. You need a topic sentence, 2 to 3 details, and a conclusion. And then when you're done, you're going to submit your summary. And that is it. And then you'll get a grade. All right, have a great day.